Hello together. Welcome to the last day of the 5-day video series, How to Make Your Brain Fit in 5 Days. And today it's all about our social brain. As Daniel Goldman quotes, our social brain is in its natural habitat when we are talking with someone face to face in real time. So we not only have a cognitive brain, we also have a social brain. And if you're not thinking about yourself, you definitely think about someone else. Your loved one, your children, what is your boss saying if you don't finish the project? What are people saying about my posts? Do I get a response from them? So it's quite instinctive. A second function of the social brain is also, if you have thoughts about yourself, you can actually be persuaded by someone else. And this can be in a positive and in a negative sense. If you're in a work environment where there is a lot of acknowledgement and praise, you will really feel yourself going the extra mile and being really much more motivated. And that's not only for the workplace, but also in schools. And now I come to my secret hormone. It's called oxytocin. Oxytocin is released by the hypothalamus in your bloodstream, and it also goes to your reproductive system. But it also enters parts of your brain, and then it encourages pro-social behavior. So people feel much more relaxed with each other, there is trust, and you feel much more psychological stable. And what is also interesting, if you teach someone, if you mentor someone, it not only helps the other person, but it improves your memory capacity too. So how can we improve our social brain? And the first one is I teach you something about the heart breath, which was brought to the Western world by the late Psalm Isadora. And it works like this, and you do it with your intimate partner. So you place your right hand directly at the heart of your partner. And your partner is doing the same, and you close it up with your left hand, and your partner is doing the same. So now you can be seated, or you can also stand. You can also do that with your children. And now you breathe together in the same rhythm. So you breathe in together and you breathe out together. So if you have found synchronicity, then the next step is to look in each other's eyes. And that's maybe challenging in the beginning, but you will see something very, very interesting happening, and it's the release of oxytocin. Another one is to join clubs. So any kind of clubs. I joined recently Toastmasters, and it's very, very nice. Even it's late in the evening. All the fire which is there, all the encouragement, people are going beyond their borders. So I really recommend to join clubs. Another one is that if you have any issues in your relationship, don't give up, really seek help of someone to help you to improve your relationship. Another one is also to join really interesting, really encouraging networks where you link yourself with other professionals so that you can have a really deep discussion. It's not only like to get likes or to talk with people, but if you really engage with people you know over time personally, then you get so much more out of it. And also join group challenges. You will really go beyond everything. It's the brainstorming process you go through as a group, and then you have also this competition going on. So this is really very powerful for your social brain. And there is one last letter of our sneeze. Can you remember sneeze? there is an E, and E stands for excitement. So your brain really needs excitement, yeah? So if you set yourself a very exciting goal, then make it really thrilling, yeah? Run through the rain and sing, yeah? And say, I really choose this. In fact, your other brain says, I really hate it, but you say, it doesn't matter. I feel thrilled by it, I'm doing it, and you really go beyond. Another one is also, here it is, maybe you brush your teeth with your right hand. Now just do it with your left hand. It's where you go out of your normal routine. That's all very, very important. Or you normally sit at a specific place in your house, just change also this place. Another one which goes more also into mindfulness is if you're into mindfulness, then eat your food, maybe do 2 or 3 bites with your eyes closed. Wow, that's something you have to go out of your routine, you have to challenge your brain. Now, as you know everything about sneeze now, please give me a comment. After this 1 week, has your brain really improved? I think mine has actually improved because I had to recite all these talks to you. So please leave